Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you Cash App search not working. So this might be a small glitch in your Cash App itself. What you have to do is head over to your Play Store and then go ahead search for Cash application. Now in my case that application is not available in my region, but let's say your application is this. If this is your Cash application, make sure that you see open instead of update. If you see update, select update and update your app. At times when your application is not updated, it might show you some minor errors. Second, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and go for apps. Here also, you're going to have to select your Cash app by searching for Cash app right here. If this is your Cash app, scroll below and select storage. Clear the cache just like this, and if you remember your credentials, I also recommend you to clear the data. Once done, come back onto App Info page, just like this, select Force Stop, and it says if you force stop an app, it may cause errors. That is completely fine. Select OK. Now go ahead, restart your device, launch your Cash app, try searching again, and it will fix your problem. If it's still not working, then you have to long tap onto it, uninstall it, reinstall again, and it might definitely work.